Hello friends, today topic is make money online. If you are looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have about ways to make money online. When you know what you are doing making money online is pretty. You can do it full time or part time right from the comfort of your home. How would not want to work in there and pull in some extra cash. In this article article we explore some different ways to make money online. To learn how to make money online, read this article from start to finish. Can I make money online? Yes, you can make money online. In fact, making money online is an incredibly popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. According to Pew Research, 1 in 6 Americans have earned money from online gig platforms. From freelancer waiting to setting up your own online store, there are plenty of way to make money online. Is making money online fast? If you are wondering how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get rich quick. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you, as people who promise that you can make millions of dollars in just a few days are probably trying to take advantage of you. Instead, it is important to focus on legitimate ways to make money, such as social media content creation. Even though you do need to be careful as you are looking for ways to make passive income from home. There are plenty of amazing ideas out there. If you are wondering how to make money online, you need to focus on what you are already good at. You have talents that a lot of other people would love to have, and you need to learn on them if you would like to make money online. Do not to try out a few ideas and remember that there are people who are willing to help you put together a strategy that you can use to make money on your schedule from home with a sole internet connection. How to make money online? As we mentioned above, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. Read on the Discover 11 ways to make money online. Ways to make money online. Find freelance work. Second, start a YouTube channel. Third, start a dropshipping business. 4, take online courses. 5, create a blog. 6, write or publish an ebook. Develop an app. Become a virtual tutor. Become an influencer. Build website. Start investing. Find freelancer work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer, and there are plenty of freelancer jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelancer marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelancer jobs. You will see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and others. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. Flex jobs and Soul gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at Flex Jobs. They research the jobs vary and monitor everything very closely. You can find many jobs on Flex Job. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out Soul Gigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones waiting that for you. With Soul Gigs, you don't worry, waste time scrolling thought designs of job listed.